back to another episode of data analysis series with Stata. Today we are going to talk about the name and labeling, how to rename the variables and how to label them. For this we need a data set, so we have to uh, go for data editor, and then I have generated a data set that is x1, x2, x3, x4. These are the four variables. So first of all we have to copy, and then we have to paste in data editor and select as a first variable where rows as a variables. And now we can see by using the browsing command what kind of data we have. Here we can see we have four variables, x1, x2, x3, x4, and these are the four variables. The first row is a name, second row is a age variable, third row is a taste, and fourth row is a gender variable. Here, if we can see from all these variable, we have a name of variable name xy 1, 2, 3, and 4, and then we have a label. So we need to rename this variable. Let me show you how to rename these variables. We have to type the command that's a rename. Rename is a command, and then we need to write the variable which we want to rename it. Rename x1, x1, and then name it name. So, in similar way, we have to rename x2 as age, and then we have to rename x3 as a taste, and here we have a x3. Let's check it, x3, and then we have a rename x4 as gender. So if we can see by using the browsing command, now you can see the first row depicting the name, the second row the age, the third row is taste, and fourth row is gender. And now we need more detail and description for a quick reference where we can use the label, and label can help us to provide more description of the variable. So for this we have to use a label command. We label variable. So and then we have to write the which variable I want to give a taste as a type of drink, as a type of drink. So now we can see here the taste is the type of drink. In the similar way, we also need to browse, and now we can check it. Is a name, age, taste, gender. Here Hafiz is a 1, Nasir is a 1, Ali is a 1, Kamal is 2. It means that the 1 is depicting the male and 2 is depicting the female. So for this labeling the values, we need to follow the two-step process. The first step is create a tag, and the second we have to hand out that tag to the variable. For this we can use also the label command, label define, then we can use as a sex 1 for value male, and 2 value for female. So in this way this is the first step. If you can browse, no change in the value, and that's why we call it the two-step process. At first we have to create a tag. We have create a tag sex and assign the value 1 to the male and assign value 2 for female. To hand out this tag to the values, we need to values label values, and then which variable, gender, as sex, because we have already created the new tag sex. And now if we browse it, you can see here the value, the gender, the where the value, value has been changed from one to the male and to the female. If you click on that, the male value, then it still is a one value, is a the given value, and then if you can click on the female, then you have a given assign value two. It means that the blue color mean that they just depict the value, but you can use in your data analysis. So this is a short video regarding the how to label the value, the label, the variable, the name, and thank you so much for watching and keep contacting. Thank you.